I'm sorry if I'm breathing heavily, I just ate and my stomach is full. Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a swatch video on these dark horse lacquer nail polishes for you. Diana from Dark Horse Lacquer offered me to swatch some of her nail polishes, and today I will show you live swatches of these 4 polishes that she sent to me. Thank you so much, Diana. I am really excited to try them. And also during Black Friday I purchased some other polishes from her. I am really looking forward to try her polishes and to also show you how they apply on natural nails. If you do like live swatch videos, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here and you want to make sure that you're not missing out on any of my future videos, then please hit the subscribe button before you leave. I will link for you everything that I can in the description box, including Diana's website with all the information, and if I find links to the polishes that I'm showing to you today, I will also link those for you. And she sent me 2 full-size nail polishes and 2 sample size polishes, and I'm really looking forward to see how is the application of her polishes, because they look absolutely beautiful and I can't wait to wear them. So let's jump into the swatches, and then I will come back and just share some thoughts on these polishes with you. Let me know which polish out of the ones that I received to review for you guys is your favorite from Dark Horse Lacquer. I think they're all really beautiful. My most favorite is definitely Get Over Yourself. Even though I'm not too much into pink nail polishes, that one just blew me away. And also Fairy Tricks, it's technically a topper, you can probably get it opaque on its own, but I really wanted to try it over a black polish and it just turned out gorgeous. My least favorite out of these four is probably Abu, only because the polish was a little bit thicker than her other polishes. Could be just because there is so much glitter in the polish itself that it's making the brush a little bit more difficult to work with, but I still love the final look, so I would recommend you all of these. Just keep in mind that Abu was a little bit more difficult to apply, but not necessarily unworkable. So let me know your thoughts, and thank you so much Diana again for sending these to me. I really enjoyed them, and as I mentioned, I did buy 3 other polishes from her, so stay tuned. I will be definitely showcasing those on my channel as well. Also, let me know if you ever tried her nail polishes, and if you did, how did you like them, or if you didn't, which one would you like to try, either out of these 4 or anything else that she has on her website. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.